I'm not even going to lie. I never knew that I would live to the day that the Igbos in other states will start waking up. We start waking up to come back home. They will start waking up and realize that the war has ended. The massacre has ended. Most of them were dispersed during the Biafran War. During the Biafran massacre attack, Biafran War, most of them were dispersed. You will see somebody bearing Chukwu Emeka, eating all Igbo food, speaking Igbo language. If you ask them, they will tell you that they are not Igbo, simply because Britain gave you Delta states or River states or Akwa Ibom states. Most of you doesn't know that Igbos exist. You can find Igbo in almost 30 states of Nigeria. When some persons hear Igbo, they will be feeling like Igbos are only in 5 states. It's a lie. It's a very big lie. Igbos, after Hausa, the next biggest ethnic group in Nigeria is Igbos. Forget what the Britain did to us. Forget what Nigeria did to us by giving us only 5 states. Igbos exist everywhere. Do you get? So I'm so happy that the Igbos in other states are waking up. At first, they were saying that we are begging for unity. How can we beg for unity? Before you were given the name Delta State, Imo State, Anambra State, you had a root. You get where you come from. Before in the Britain, you get those useless names and divided you with the minority, Niger Delta rubbish. You had a root. On ABC. You get language where they speak. You had a culture. So trace that your culture back to your roots.
Such a divide anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Keji we gasịa nke abụ anyọma. Ke bụ South South, ke bụ South East, ke bụ South Nkanwa. Na ụmụaka anyị kịta mara ọzọ dị identity. Nwe mazi ebe wasiwa bịa. Onye a na-eme nke, onye a na-eme nke, mana we use one tradition. You know, I'm so proud being an Igbo woman. I'm very proud. It's on your face. Maka na gịnị no Igbo ka na asụ. Ebim na Igbo. My great grandfathers, my grandfathers, my immediate parents never told me na abụ m onye ọzọ. Ife fa agwa bụ na abụ m onye Igbo. Ọ bụrụ kịta in my 6th decade now. Nsi na abụ m onye Hausa. Afọ ejiwe zomi deyi bụ onye buchi ibe. Afa nna m abụla Okonkwo. Onwekosi ya fa ndị Hausa. Ọba fa ndị Yoruba.
Ncha.
Mkpụrụ osisi a eji akpa ekpele tata bụ ọjị. Igbo niile na-use ya. Onye bata na bịa ya ebu isi bupụta ọjị.
So what we need, wake up and know that what we need now is regional unity. Before these people will conquer your land, before ndị analoga anage, hana ha abato alandi Yariba, before analoga alage, wake up, go back to your roots. Let there be regional unity so that we start from there. I'm just so happy that going on social media, I see youths like Gen Z youths. I see youths from places like River State, Delta State that have started acknowledging the fact that they are Igbos. Most of them, their parents lied to them because of the fear of Biafran, reputation of the Biafran massacre. It will not happen again. Most of them are scared. They feel that if they are identified with the Igbos, they will be marginalized. You don't know that Igbo is spiritual. You don't know. If you don't know, just check what is happening in the country now. The karma, the thing they did to the Igbos, the karma has already visited Nigeria. And it's not going anytime soon until they accept referendum or beg Igbos for forgiveness because they owe Igbos apology. Well, there are Igbos in 13 states of Nigeria, but I know that very soon everybody will come back to their roots.